Forensic science is where crime meets science, unraveling mysteries through evidence. Join us as we embark on a historical journey to explore its evolution from ancient roots to modern breakthroughs. In ancient China, forensic science made its early mark. A murder case was cracked using forensic entomology, identifying the killer by observing insects attracted to blood. This pioneering moment laid the groundwork for forensic techniques, blending observation with scientific inquiry. In ancient Greece and Rome, forensic practices began with autopsies, crucial in cases like Julius Caesar's assassination. These early methods laid a foundation for understanding suspicious deaths. Moving to the Middle Ages, forensic science was primitive, often relying on superstitions like trial by ordeal and forced confessions. Despite its limitations, this era marked a transitional phase, setting the stage for more scientific approaches in the future. Explore how these historical practices shaped the evolution of forensic science.
During the Middle Ages, forensic methods were steeped in superstition, relying on trial by ordeal and confessions. This era's limitations were profound, but the Renaissance sparked a shift. Scientific advancements, like human anatomy studies and forensic toxicology, began to influence investigations. This pivotal transition laid the groundwork for modern forensic science, moving from mystical practices to evidence-based inquiry. Discover how these changes set the stage for today's forensic techniques.
In the 19th century, forensics evolved with innovations like anthropometry and fingerprinting, laying the foundation for modern identification methods. The 20th century marked a scientific revolution as crime labs emerged, integrating blood typing and document examination into investigations. These advancements transformed forensics from rudimentary practices into a precise science, enabling accurate crime solving. Explore how these breakthroughs shaped the forensic landscape, bringing science to the forefront of justice.
In the 20th century, the scientific revolution in forensics took a leap with the establishment of crime labs. Techniques like blood typing and document examination became standard. The DNA revolution, led by Dr. Alec Jeffreys, introduced DNA profiling, a groundbreaking method that transformed criminal investigations. This innovation provided a reliable way to link suspects to crimes, marking a new era in forensic science. Discover how these advancements have redefined justice, making crime solving more precise and impactful.
In today's digital age, forensic science has evolved with cutting-edge advancements. Digital forensics and cybercrime analysis now play crucial roles in investigations. Artificial intelligence enhances these processes, offering unprecedented accuracy and efficiency. AI tools can sift through vast data, identifying patterns and connections that were once elusive. This revolution not only aids in solving crimes, but also in ensuring justice by exonerating the innocent. Explore how AI is transforming the forensic landscape, making the pursuit of truth more powerful than ever. Forensic science is a powerful tool in the pursuit of truth and justice. It not only solves crimes, but also exonerates the innocent, playing a crucial role in our legal system. As we conclude this documentary, we invite you to delve deeper into the world of forensics, engage with more content, and discover how this fascinating field continues to shape justice and truth. Join us in exploring the profound impact of forensic science on society.